shop is busy producing the adjustable setup block. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look to see how they're made. First, billets of aluminum are CNC milled to size to form the triangular base of the setup block. Immediately after milling, they are hand inspected for accuracy. Meanwhile, steel inserts are milled with a jeweled finish. Next, the micro-adjust rod is turned on a CNC lathe . After the triangular base is anodized with our signature Woodpeckers red finish, the base is laser engraved with scale markings and logos. The adjustable setup block from Woodpeckers is finishing up in production and will be shipped soon. Stay tuned for more production updates.